You didn't tell me this before. How come you didn't tell me this before?
Because you didn't tell me. You didn't ask me.
Okay.
And I didn't.
Well, tell me what does mommy do?
Do that and do that.
She hits you in the mouth too? With her hand?
Yeah.
What is it? Did she say because you said a bad word, or why did she hit you in the mouth?
Hey, look. I'm so bad. I'm just a bad girl.
You're not a bad girl, Neha. You're not a bad girl.
Yes, I am.
No.
Because I don't listen to my mommy.
It's not that. Don't think like that, though. Everybody does it, Neha. I don't listen to my mommy all the time. It doesn't mean I'm bad. You're not bad, Neha. We all make mistakes, and we're all our own self.
You are the bad.
Huh?
You are the bad.
What did you say?
You are the bad.
I'm the I love you. Did you say I'm the best?
Yes.
Neha. Don't cry no more. Don't cry. Look. Daddy's gonna be able to have you live with me someday, okay?
Okay, when mommy's lost.
Huh?
When mommy's lost.
No, she's not gonna get lost.
She will, but I mean she gets killed from a zombie.
Hey, don't say that, okay? That's not nice.
I am so sorry. I didn't know that.
Look, it's okay, Neha, it's okay. Look, there's other ways around it. Don't say that.
But I didn't know. I'm sorry.
okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, now you know. Now you know. Come here.